Ever thought that an accessory dwelling unit or ADU and a two-unit property are essentially the same? Well, it's time to set the record straight. An ADU is a secondary housing unit on a single-family residential lot. You may know it as a granny flat, in-law suite, or backyard cottage. It can be either attached to the primary dwelling, like a converted garage or basement, or detached, like a separate small house in the backyard. These ADUs have their own entrance, kitchen, bathroom, and living space. However, they are designed to be subordinate in size to the primary residence and must adhere to local zoning and building regulations. Now, switch gears to a two-unit property. This is a residential property with two separate dwelling units, each with its own entrance, kitchen, bathroom, and living space. These units can be side by side, stacked, or in separate structures on the same lot. The units are often similar in size and layout. Unlike ADUs, which are often added to existing single-family properties, two-unit properties are purpose-built or renovated to accommodate two separate households. They usually have two separate addresses. Now here's where things get interesting. ADUs and two-unit properties are appraised differently, which can be quite a surprise for buyers and investors. ADUs are added as a line item on the appraisal, appraised as a property feature or amenity of a single-family home. The presence of an ADU can increase the value of the property due to the potential for rental income or multi-generational living arrangements. However, it all hinges on the local market demand for single-family homes with ADUs. If the ADU is detached, it will be appraised as a feature, like a pool or solar panels. It will not be appraised by square footage or for its income potential. The value an ADU will add will depend on how much additional people are willing to pay in the local market for similar homes with ADUs. If there are no comparable sales nearby, it's possible that an ADU won't add much value. There must be comparable sales to prove market value to an appraiser. On the other hand, if an ADU is attached to the main home with interior access between the two units, only then can the additional square footage be counted in the home's living space for appraisal purposes. When it comes to a two-unit property, it will be compared to other recent sales of two-unit properties in the local area, with units of similar size, condition, amenities, and rental income potential. So, in essence, while ADUs and two-unit properties may seem similar on the surface, their differences in design, purpose, and appraisal value are significant. Remember, it's all in the details.